Hello everyone and welcome to the studio. Today we're going to 3D print and assemble these nifty cylindrical gift boxes designed by 3D Printy that aren't just a cool way to wrap gifts for your friends and family, but might be the one gift box they'll actually want to keep. A link to the original STLs is in the description down below, and be sure to check out more of 3D Printy's designs while you're there. If you like this video and want more 3D printing in your life, please hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything. Now that I've run everything through the slicer, let's dive into it. Everything's printed, so let's take a look at the parts we'll be assembling. First, we have the base, a lid, and then there's this clock spring mechanism, 2 latches, the bow, of course, a set of 4 ribbons for the lid, and then a set of 4 ribbons for the base. And all we need to put it together is some glue. First, we'll go ahead and put some glue on the strips on the lid, and that's eventually where the ribbons will go. It is a little loose, so I'm going to put plenty of glue here to hold them on. Then we'll go ahead and put the ribbons on the lid. Again, it is a little loose, so I'm being sure to press down firmly and make sure they're all aligned properly in the end. Now we'll go ahead and put some glue on the base, and this is where those ribbons will go. They do snap in a little bit better, but I'm still going to use glue just to make sure that everything holds tight. And then of course we're going to put the ribbons on the base. They do snap in, so I'm going to be sure to push firmly to make sure that they pop in all the way. After letting everything dry, I can go ahead and assemble the rest of the lid. So I'll take one of my latches and put it in the first slot and the second latch in the other slot, facing the opposite direction. And then I can take the clock spring mechanism and gently align it with the 2 latches and press it into place. I will need to twist the spring a little bit so that it's preloaded, and that's going to make sure that the 2 latches are firmly pressed against the inner edge of the lid. If they're not, then the mechanism will not work properly. And then holding everything in place, I can go ahead and apply some glue to the underside of my bow. And then place the bow on top of the lid. Once I've let everything dry, I can go ahead and test it out. So I'll give the bow a few twists, and you can see that as I do that, the latches move in and out, which is that clock spring mechanism at work. Then to secure the lid to the base, I'll just align the ribbons, give the bow a little twist, and let the latches pop into place. Another nice benefit of 3D printed gift boxes is that they're reusable. So not only do they look really cool, but they can also help cut down on waste during the holiday season. They're so easy to make that I'll definitely be printing more the next time gift giving season rolls around.